Hi Aries, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and let's do a weekend love bite for you. Aries, this is for the weekend of the 6th, I think, 6th, 7th, 8th of November. Just a general quick energy check-in to see how you guys are doing. Let's begin. Dear God, goddesses, angels, spirit guides, please bless this reading for Aries and send them the messages they need to hear the most at this time. Thank you. So, Aries, welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you so much for all your lovely comments. I'm really blessed to have you all with me, and I'm very grateful. Thank you. And if you're new here, we welcome you to our Omkara family. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, and become part of us. We welcome you in. So, Aries, the new newbies, let me explain this. This is just a small little energy check-in, just to see how you guys are doing. Your longer readings are getting prepared and will be up and running Sunday onwards again. So, let's see what's happening. What's my Aries? Oh, busy at work, it seems. Three of Pentacles. Building up your empires, it seems, Aries. And if any of you need a private reading, my schedule is now open, okay? So you can reach me at my email in my description box below. So let's begin. King of Wands, Ten of Pentacles, and the King of Swords. The Page of Swords, the Devil, and the Death in reverse. Spirit, we don't want to know about this character. We wanted to know about Aries. But yes, there is somebody here who was there in your life, Aries. The death is in reverse, right? So that means somebody is still holding on to you. It just keeps coming in your readings, and I'm not going to do 7 readings again. Let's just read what's on the table. Somebody has been a little selfish in your past, Aries, right? They have been self-centered, selfish, not giving to the connection, not giving to the commitment, never giving you any clarity, but always keeping a watch on you and being double-minded and probably juggling you as well, right? So, what about them, Spirit? Yeah, Aries, you are enlightened now, and I think you are now holding back from this character. You're no longer giving to this equation anymore. You are no longer waiting for any commitment. All this person has done till now has confused you, not brought you any clarity. And I think my Aries has decided who's looking for a commitment with you anyway. I'm going to be happy and abundant on my own now, right? I think, Aries, you're ignoring this person. You're not giving that impression that you're upset or angry with them anymore. You're staying strong. You are, I think, in solitude at this time. I don't see you with anyone right now, but you are kind of giving this impression to this past person who's got their eye on you big time. They're still sneaking on you, they're still spying, not sneaking, spying on you. They are watching your every move if you're posting on social media or asking your friends. This person is totally obsessed with you even now, right? They're obsessed with you. They are still holding on. They have a fear that you're going to change this equation between the two of you, and they'll never get a chance to get back to you. But I see you holding strong, Aries, concentrating on your work. By yourself in solitude, you're enlightened now as to what this person was trying to do to you, and you are holding yourself strong, right? You're giving that impression, at least publicly, that you are in a very good space and you're not looking for, them to come and or beg them for any kind of commitment or anything like that. So, Spirit, why is this person in the Page of Swords right now? Because they're stuck. This person, all they can do right now is spy on you because they don't know what to do. They don't know where you're at, right? Like I said, what you are showing maybe publicly is that, hey, I've got my strength back. I'm in a happy space. And who said I was looking for a relationship or a commitment from you? I never asked you, right? So this is the game you're playing, Aries, and this person is getting more and more stuck because they see that you're no longer chasing after them or asking them for anything. So what's this devil spirit? Now this person wants to have a fresh new beginning with you. They know that whatever game they played with you, maybe they did not answer your text, or they did not, give you any information, or didn't talk to you, or ghosted you. Whatever game this person has played, Aries, they know that this is totally backfired on them, right? So now they are getting obsessive as to how I can re-begin the story with my Aries again. Yeah, because now they know that the Queen of Pentacles is in reverse. That's you, Aries. You are no longer giving to the connection. You're not interested. You're not giving of your love or affection or care or anything like that towards this person anymore. And now they feel it's total. This game that they were playing with you has backfired. And instead of chasing, Aries has just kind of moved their attention away from them. But now this person is looking for a fresh new beginning after they feel that things are totally now finished. They were hoping, I think, Aries, that you would chase after them, and this is backfired on them. Their thinking was wrong because they don't know Aries. Aries doesn't chase, right? Aries is the emperor. So, death in reverse, spirit. What's this death in reverse? They are planning something, Aries. I don't know what this is, but they are right now at crossroads, but not just at crossroads, because it's paired by the Six of Wands card, which is they want victory, right? They want victory, so they are planning some strategy as to how they can come back and start something new with you. Okay, so now let's spy and see what is this planning going on. So, how do they want to be victorious with my Aries spirit? What is this planning going on? What are they planning to do? What do they want? They want to come and flirt with you again. They want to come with freshness and say, and if maybe they were not showing you attention or not giving you, yeah, this is emotions, right? So they feel that my Aries will is lacking. The only thing Aries is lacking is emotional support or whatever. So maybe I can go and be my flirty self. And if they were very like they were in the King of Swords energy earlier and being a little hard and cold. So they're trying to switch it around and come to you in a different persona altogether. So this is the plan, that this time when, if I can get to my Aries, I'm going to switch it around, and instead of withdrawing, I'm going to start giving them, I've start showing my emotions. Maybe flirt with them a little bit, give them a small gift, make them feel special, and that's the way I can turn this around. And because right now death is in reverse, right? So there is no movement, but they are not sure how to bring any change either. They're fearing this. They want to turn this upright so they can put the past in the past and have a transformation. So the plan is, Aries, to transform the way they approach you. Maybe earlier they were approaching you in a different way. So now they are going to switch their uh, approach altogether. They are hell bent on being victorious with you once again. They want a fresh new beginning. Can I what can I say to this card, Aries? Ace of Cups. Somebody is madly in love with you. I hope the King of Cups doesn't show up again. Queen of Cups has, and the Eight of Pentacles. Okay, so Spirit, why is the Ace of Cups here for Aries for their weekend now? Yeah, why is the Ace of Cups here? Why is the Ace of Cups here? Ace of Cups. Ace of Cups. Okay, somebody wants to bring back justice to this relationship, Aries. If they have been rude and fighting in the past, and you've turned your back on them now, then they know it, they feel it. Somebody here now wants to bring back justice in this equation. Maybe offer you some kind of commitment, because I think this person is crazily in love with you. Okay, they have just been playing a game thinking they could get the upper hand, and maybe you'll chase after them so they won't have to feel like the one who's the chaser in the relationship, but it's totally backfired on them. and they know that you're the one. Okay, the Queen of Cups is here. Maybe you're not showing off your emotions right now, but they do know who they want and who they want to work with in the long term. Yeah, they know what they've done. They know that they've been they've been troublesome, they've been irritating, maybe giving the impression that they're a player, and whatever they've done has not really served them right. They were trying to make you feel, sad and rejected, so you would love them more than they love you. That's what I feel. And but they know that you are the one for them, Aries. You are the one they want to work with, right? But why is this reading about them, Aries? I don't know, Spirit. We wanted to know how Aries was feeling. Uh, Eight of Pentacles, Spirit. Eight of Pentacles. Aries, I don't think you are putting in any effort. You're holding back. But this person has the Two of Cups again. They are desperate to make some kind of move, even if it's small, towards this relationship, Aries. But I think you are sitting in your Queen of Cups. You are put a lid on your emotions at the moment. You are holding back and no longer even bothered to put in any work here. So, anything else, Spirit? Any action? Anything? No, not this weekend, Aries. This weekend also, I don't think there's anybody's taking any action. I think somebody's still trying to heal from all the toxic behavior that they have put in the past, right? This is all in going on in the mind space yet. Yeah, they're trying to now kind of come out of confusion. They're trying to make one choice and they're trying to plan. But Spirit, this reading was not about them. This was about how Aries is doing. So please give me three more cards for my darling Aries. Three cards for Aries for this weekend. Three cards for Aries. Okay. I'm sorry, Aries. This person they're still looking for a reunion with you. They want to come and apologize to you. Maybe they did something sneaky in the past. They want to start a brand new chapter with you. They want to come in for a reunion. I don't think you are giving out any vibes that you want to be with them, Aries. So that may be the only blockage. If you would be open, if you would they're not getting that energetic pull from your end that you have forgiven them yet. They know that you're upset, and that's the only thing that's stopping them at the moment. But they are planning, they are strategizing, they're trying to become a better person. They're trying not to play games. They're hoping that they can now switch it over, come with emotion, and win you over, and bring justice into this equation, Aries. Oh, all right. So that's all I have for you, Aries. I'm sorry. Yes, that's all I have for you. Take care, love and light. Namaste.